Good morning, students. Welcome to online classes of St. Joseph's Academy. I am Akanksha, your computer teacher. Today, we will continue our chapter 1, that is computer devices, memory and storage. Let's start. First of all, we should know what are storage devices. See children, in everyday life we use many storage devices like almirah, cupboard, locker, etc. to store things. These things we use at our home. In the same way, a computer uses CDs, USB flash drive, DVDs, etc. for the storage of data. So these are the storage devices of a computer. Some of the storage devices of computer are USB flash drive. You can see pen drive also. It is a small device used to carry data or transport files from one computer to another. If you want to transfer any data, any file or anything from one computer to another, that time you can use USB flash drive or you can say pen drive. Our next storage device is CD or DVD. CD refers to compact discs and DVD refers to digital video disc, and they can store a lot of data. Our next storage device is multimedia card. This card is small in size and is available in different storage capacity. You can use it as per your requirement. It is available in different storage capacity. Now these storage devices are of two types: primary storage device and secondary storage device. Let's see. A computer stores data using several different methods. Therefore, there are different levels of data storage, which may be referred as primary and secondary storage. However, primary and secondary storage may also refer specifically to the components inside the computer. In this case, primary storage typically refers to random access memory or RAM, while secondary storage refers to the computer's internal hard drive. Now see, RAM, which is commonly called memory, is considered as primary storage. And why it is considered as primary storage? See, it stores data that is directly accessible by the computer's CPU. Its data is directly accessible by the computer's CPU. That is why it is known as primary storage device. RAM is a high-speed storage medium that can be accessed with minimal delay. That is why it is used by the CPU. Because the RAM is connected directly to the CPU via memory bus, the CPU can access data stored in RAM very quickly. For this reason, RAM is used to store data loaded by active programs and the operating system. Now, hard drives are considered secondary storage. since they are not connected directly to the CPU. Instead, hard drives send and receive data through an I/O bus. I/O bus means input-output bus, which may pass through a cache or other type of memory before getting to the CPU. Also, hard drives are not as fast as RAM. RAM are the fastest high-speed memory, but these hard drives are not as fast as RAM, which means they cannot transfer data as quickly as RAM, and RAM is directly connected to that is why the RAM is directly connected to the CPU and can fetch data very quickly from the RAM. However, unlike RAM, hard drives retain data when the computer is turned off. We have discussed earlier the RAM store the data temporarily. As soon as the computer is switched off, the data will be erased. But in hard drives, the data remains in the computer when the computer is turned off. This is because hard drives store data magnetically, while RAM requires an electric current. This is the difference between the RAM and the hard drive. Now, see, these are primary storage and secondary storage devices. RAM is the primary storage, while the CD, pen drive, DVD, floppy disk, all these are secondary storage devices. I hope you all have understood the difference between the primary storage devices and secondary storage devices. Thank you so much.